Hello?
Hello?
Oh, there it is.
Hello? Oh, there it is. Oh, there it is.
Hello? Hello? Hello?
Hello?
Oh, there it is. I think I know what happened.
Hello? Hello? Oh, there it is. I think I know what happened. Oh, there it is. I think I know what happened.
It was my Bluetooth speakers. It picked it up. I turned it off. We're good to go.
I turned it off. We're good to go.
All right. Let's continue. Did anybody need help or need a review on Sokotoa? Okay. So if this is theta, opposite of theta is this side right here. The adjacent side is right next to theta. And then opposite of the 90 degrees is called the hypotenuse. So here's ka, which is cosine theta, which is equivalent to adjacent over hypotenuse. Everything is relative to where the angle is at. And then last is TOA, which is tangent theta, which is opposite over adjacent. All right. Try pick a problem from 9 through 18 and try one. So opposite equals x and y equals y. Noel, not necessarily. For this case, yes. It all depends wherever theta is at. So if theta was this angle, then that means this becomes opposite and this side becomes adjacent. So everything is relative to where the location of theta is. Alright, pick a problem from 9 through 18 real quick. Kind of running behind now. It's okay. Anybody, 9 through 18, pick one. Okay, number 9. Here's number 9. $17. Alright, here we go. We're going to call this side x right here. We don't know what x is, so I need to use Pythagorean theorem. X squared plus 1 squared equals root 5 squared. So therefore x squared is equal to 4, therefore x is equal to 2. So from there, x is my adjacent. And I can find the rest now. Sine theta is equal to opposite over hypotenuse 1 over root 5. I'm just going to leave these. I'll rationalize them later. Cosine theta is equal to 2 over root 5, which is adjacent over hypotenuse. And then tangent theta is equal to opposite over adjacent. So 1 over 2. Y4, Y4, Y4. Oh. Square root of 5 squared is 5. The minus the 1 becomes 4. Yes, the square root cancels. So we have 1 here. So we have 5 minus 1, which is 4. Alright, let's move. So I'm just going to leave these as is for now. I'm giving myself some room. This cosecant, secant, and cotangent. Again, I'll rationalize these later. And the reason why I do this is because it's so much more easier to just use the reciprocal of it, because these are reciprocal functions. And notice that the reciprocal function is already rationalized, so now all I have to do is deal with this. And I'm done. Alright, these are complementary cofunctions. Complementary cofunctions are equal. This can be found on page 525. So basically, cosine, I don't know, 20 is equal to sine 90, or cosecant 30 is equal to secant 60, or tangent, I don't know, 25 equals to cotangent 65. These are all examples. We forgot M. Oh, thank you. KayRaeMel. Oh. Thanks, Darlene. Alright, here we go. Let's these are for problems 19 through 28. Let's pick one from 19 through 28. Any one of them. Anybody? 24. Okay, 24 it is. Here we go. 1 plus tangent squared minus cosecant squared 85. Oh no. Cosecant is secant. Alright, so I'm going to use this. So 1 plus tangent squared (5 degrees) minus secant squared of also 5 degrees. And I think you guys know what this is equal to. It's in your trig bits. What's this equal to? Hi, princess. One, very good. So therefore we get 1 plus 1, which is equal to 2. So I'm going to draw a little road map here. It goes from there to here. And this part is from trig bits, triangle, identities. Nice. I'm just looking at the comments. Okay. Alright, we're gonna move on. I really want to do number 29 through 42. It's more for solving triangles. Got about 25 more minutes. We have to solve these triangles and then we'll do the applications of it. Alright, let me just do a problem. Pick one from 29 to 34. 29 to 34. $29 to 34. Anybody? $33. Okay. Here we go. We are using this triangle. We call this beta. Alpha, I guess AB. And this side is C. For 33, these are what's given. B is equal to 4. Big A, angle A, is equal to 10. And this is what we need to find. A, C, and angle B. Alright, first we need to know, how did you get 4x? 4x squared. How did you get 4x squared equals 4? Okay. Alright, so we're going to go back to this to answer Princess's question. Let me just write this out. I skipped a few steps. My apologies. Here we go. We're talking about this right here. And we're going to rewrite it in red. We get x squared plus 1. This is equal to 5. Subtract the 1. And for x squared is equal to 4. There, we're good. Princess, is that okay? Okay. Alright, so here we go. Alright, again, the sum of interior angles of a triangle will always be 180. So if A is equal to 10, is all what's given. B is equal to 4. So if I know that this is equal to 180, what must B equal to? B is the easiest one to find right here. What must B, angle B, equal to? Well, it needs to equal to 80. All right, very good, Andrew. All right, so here we go. So now we have to solve. This is what's given. This is gonna be our angle that's given. We have opposite. We have adjacent, but we don't have opposite, and we don't have hypotenuse. So using these two, we could find what A is. How? Because we have opposite over adjacent, which is tangent. So I'm going to use tangent 10 degrees, which is equal to opposite, which is A, over adjacent, which is 4. And from there I could solve what A is. And they want us to find the exact. So if you just multiply 4 tangent 10, we're done. We found A. A is isolated and tangent 10 is a constant. If we want to find C, we have adjacent over hypotenuse. Adjacent over hypotenuse. So adjacent over hypotenuse is cosine. So I need to write cosine 10 degrees is equal to adjacent over hypotenuse, which is 4 over C. You just rewrite these. This is TOA and this is Ka. So now I have to solve for C. If I just multiply C to both sides and then divide by cosine 10. You have to treat cosine 10 like a number. It's a constant. So C is equal to 4 over cosine 10. And we're finished. I have 18 minutes. Any questions on this, on number 33? I heard this kid, yeah, say hi, Kayla.
Hi.
All right, let's try some applications. Let's do 49. It's pretty self-explanatory. Let's just draw it out real fast. 49. Sorry to rush. I know we had a little, what's it called, technical difficulties. I'm new at this stuff, as you guys can tell. All right, here we go. This is A, and this is C, and this is B. This is 100 feet, and the angle between them is 35. Let me just read it out to you guys. Find the distance from A to C across the gorge illustrated in the figure. All right, so this is our angle, and we are given just the adjacent side, and we need to find the opposite side. I'm gonna call this O here. This side's called O, or O, oh, whatever, O for opposite. All right, so how do I find the length of AC here? Well, I have opposite over adjacent, which is basically TOA. So we have tangent 35 is equal to opposite over adjacent, which is 100. Alright, and from here we just multiply 100 to both sides. We get 100 times tangent 35, which is equal to O. This is too confusing. We'll just call this AC. So that's what AC is equal to, but they want you to find it in feet. Remember, 35 is in degrees. So when you turn on your calculator, make sure you are on degree mode. And clear this. So tangent 35 enter that, which is in degrees, and then multiply by 100. So your answer is 75 or 70.02 feet, which is equal to AC. Alright, pick one more from your homework. I think you guys go all the way up to 59, I think. Pick one from your homework. Yeah, 9 through 50 something. Let me double check. Nine to 57. Pick one. 57. Nice. Alright, here we go. Alright, we only have about a little under 10 minutes to do this. I gotta set up for my 11 o'clocks. Alright, 57. Here we go. A state trooper is hidden 30 feet from the highway. 1 second after a truck passes, the angle between the highway and the observation from the patrol car to the truck is measured. See illustration. This is theta. This is 30 feet. And this is 1 second. Didn't say 1 second. Here's the patrol car. And this is the truck. I think you guys get the idea here. If the angle measured, if theta is equal to 15, how fast is the truck traveling? Express your answer in feet per second and in miles per hour. So this is your hypotenuse. This is your adjacent side. And this is 30 feet. Part A is asking if theta is 15 degrees, how fast is a truck traveling? In miles per hour, feet per second, and miles per hour, mph. Homework is due Sunday night. Alright, here we go. Let's start. Opposite over adjacent is tangent. So tangent theta, or 15, is equal to opposite feet per second. Wait, tangent inverse this thing? Let me double check something. The angle measured is 15 feet. How fast is truck traveling? These are all numbers. I need to know how far this is. Oh. This is X. There we go. Sorry, it is so messy. I don't have an eraser here. I'm going to call this adjacent. So the adjacent side is, how long is that? Basically tangent, oh no, clear. 30 divided by tangent 15, which is 100. and 96. So that's your feet per second. The adjacent side, if this is in 1 second, there's 100 feet. So your answer, the speed that it's going is 100 feet per second. Alright. About 5 more minutes and I need to set up for my yeah, I left my whiteout and all that stuff at school. I'll find some for the next session or go to the store for the next session or steal my kids. One of those. Alright, so next we need to convert this into miles per hour, and the way we convert this is 11.9615 feet over 1 second. We know that 1 second or 60 seconds equals to how many hours? It was 1 minute, I'm sorry. And 1 minute is equal to 60 minute, I should say, is equal to 1 hour. For number 33, don't you? No, for number 33, the direction says find the exact value. So decimals are technically approximates. These are tangent 10 and cosine 10. They're exact values. Alright, so what's the conversion unit from feet to miles? Feet to miles. Feet to miles. And then 5,280 feet equals 1 mile. So if you work all that out, notice that the seconds cancel, the minutes cancel, the feet cancel, and all we're left with is miles per hour, and that's what we want. If you multiply all that out, comes out to 76.3 mph. All right. That is all the time we have. I'm gonna sign out now, and your homework is due. Stay tuned. Thanks for what's it called? Logging in. If I didn't take roll correctly, message me. Okay. Let me double check here. Jenna. Tiffany. Okay, this is who I have so far. Oh no. I didn't even take roll, huh? Andrew Soriano. Sing song. Yeah. Charity Lamenta. Tiffany. Mia. Was Ariana here? Ariana Rivera. You're welcome. Jessica is here. Is Natalia here? Natalia, are you here? Natalia. I don't see Natalia. Alright, we'll just do that and... Alright, signing out. Goodbye. Yes, Jenna. Okay, I'm about to sign out. Ariana, yes, Ariana's here. Rivera. Natalia and Dominique. Natalia. Okay. Okay, thank you. When we turn in homework, is just a photo? Yes. Please take a picture and upload it on Schoology. Alright, I think that's everybody. Okay. Yes, Marinelle. Okay, signing out. Bye-bye.